How to zoom in on TikTok videos. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in on TikTok videos. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So if you've ever wanted to zoom into a TikTok video and you've realized that the TikTok app doesn't really support this feature, I'm going to show you a workaround to show you how you can actually do that. So scroll through TikTok until you find a video that you'd like to zoom in on. So I'm just going to choose this Peppa Pig one, and then I'm just going to save this video to my phone by clicking on the arrow on the right hand corner and then clicking on save video. So that's just been saved to my phone. So I'm just going to go over to my gallery and find this video where I've just downloaded it. So as you can see, this one's been downloaded into my camera roll, so I'm just going to tap on it, and then I'm going to tap on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then tap on open in video player. So now I'm viewing this in video player, and I can see this one's zooming in by itself, but you can also zoom into the video. I'll just try that one again, open in video player, and then you can zoom in to the video yourself. So I'm just zooming in here. There you go. And that's all it takes to zoom in on TikTok videos. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.